You see an ad online promising maximum energy, endless stamina, and peak physical performance tucked inside a simple fruit gummy, and your first thought is probably a mix of curiosity and total skepticism. That healthy doubt is exactly where we need to start. Lately, a men's vitality gummy has been making big waves across the internet, claiming to transform daily energy levels and boost circulation using a blend of heavy-hitting plant extracts and amino acids. On paper, the lineup sounds phenomenal. They list ingredients like L-citrulline for blood flow, L-carnitine for cellular energy, along with classic adaptogens like maca root, Panax ginseng, rhodiola, and grapeseed extract. To sweeten the deal, the marketing pushes a generous 60-day money-back guarantee. Sounds like a zero-risk win, right? Well, taking a closer look at the actual evidence reveals a much more complicated story. When you dig beneath the flashy sales pages, the red flags start popping up fairly quick. For starters, trying to find a clear supplement facts panel with exact milligram dosages on their site is surprisingly frustrating. That missing piece of information is a massive blind spot for anyone taking their health seriously. An ingredient list means almost nothing if you do not know the actual quantities inside each serving. 5 milligrams of ginseng is vastly different from 500 milligrams. Beyond the missing numbers, the digital footprint of the brand raises even more questions. Independent background checks show the web domain was registered extremely recently, leaving virtually no long-term track record to evaluate. Online trust monitoring platforms have already flagged the site with low trust scores due to this lack of established history and minimal user reviews. Now, to be entirely fair, having a new website does not automatically mean a product is a scam. The site does use basic security protocols like secure encryption, standard product details are listed, and there is zero proof of outright fraud or illegal activity. What we have here is not necessarily a criminal operation, but a classic case of low transparency mixed with aggressive marketing. Consumers end up stuck in a gray zone trying to weigh big promises against tiny amounts of verifiable proof. A money-back guarantee sounds great on screen, but recovering your cash from a brand new company with limited customer service channels can be an uphill battle. Slipping unverified supplements into your daily routine without knowing exact formulas simply is not worth the risk. Before hitting that checkout button on any hyped-up health product, demand full transparency. Check independent sources and never let fancy copy outshine basic hard facts.